Wow, look how long this escalator is. That is insane, y'all. All right, let's ride it. Okay, guys, we're gonna be riding the Otis escalator at, see that in Joy City Mall. One of the most longest escalators I've ever ridden. This is floor 2. Floor 3. Floor 4. And I think this is floor 5. I'm not really good with counting floors, so you're gonna have to bear with me on this. Wow, this is the most longest escalator ever. This is awesome. All right, we're gonna go ahead and step right off. Oh yes, these are 6 floors high, nice. All right, let's step off. Here's your view into the mall. There you have it, and that'll be it.